breadth 29 feet 5 inch, total length 38 inch. The one side stair length 16 feet and breadth 8 feet, and stair going to dining room at first dining room size 13 feet 9 inch, length 10 feet. This is the first. Other side kitchen room size 10 feet by 7 feet. Storeroom size 3 feet 7 inch and length 10 feet. The master bedroom size length 13 feet and breadth 12 feet. This is the attached veranda. The length 7 feet and breadth 3 feet. The attached toilet 6 feet length and 4 breadth. That is the small size toilet. This is the attached and drawing room and all total person. The common toilet room size length 6 feet and breadth 4 feet 10 inch. This is the drawing room. The length 10 feet and breadth 9 feet 9 inch. This is the bedroom size length 10 feet and breadth 10 feet. This is the front sized attached veranda size 7 feet length and 3 feet. This is the good quality and planning design, good design and savely design cost.